here are some packing and organizing tips that are completely out-of-the-box ideas. One of my favorite is color coding your move, and that's where you simply match colors to spaces instead of writing on the box what the space is. So for example, your master bedroom becomes pink, and you label all the boxes and all the furniture with that corresponding color. And then you take that same color, you put it in the space of your new home or apartment or office, and the movers just simply match the colors. Now, my second favorite tip is taking things that you already have and repurposing them. So you have tons of probably clothes, towels that you can use as padding in between items as you're packing them. So that gives you the option to be able to be eco-friendly and save some money. And then ultimately, my homeowners, not a lot of you guys think about that attic space. Making sure that you empty out the attic space prior to your mover's arrival will make sure that the move is as stress-free and expeditious as possible.